compare 643 Lima, we're now approaching Lima.
643 Lima, roger, stand by, break, November 4, Charlie Juliet, runway 16 left, clear to land.
Clear to land for Charlie Juliet.
Qantas 25, you going around?
Negative Qantas 25, we're just having a bit of a scenery issue. We'll taxi back and along off Tango 6.
Roger, let me know when you're on Tango. 643 Lima, you can taxi left on Lima, then contact ground 121.7.
Left on Lima, 1217, 643.
New Zealand 103, same for you, left on Lima, 121.7, g'day.
Tower, Southwest 8386, on final 165.
Southwest 8386, any target A, continue approach number 2.
Continue approach number 2, 8386.
New Zealand 361, runway 16 left, clear to land.
16 left, clear to land, New Zealand 361.
Tower 4 Charlie Juliet, clear at Tango 2.
November 4, Charlie Juliet, welcome to Sydney. You can follow the aircraft ahead of you. Tango, hold short Lima.
Aircraft ahead, Tango, hold short Lima, 4 Charlie Juliet.
16 left.
New Zealand 103, are you still with me?
Qantas 25 sorted that out, but now on Tango 6.
Qantas 25, roger, welcome to Sydney. You can taxi Tango, hold short Lima.
Tango, hold short Lima, Qantas 25.
Approaching minimums. 300. Minimum. 200. $100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Neptune 1-1 Whiskey, Sydney target A, you full stop this time?
Yeah, sure am.
Neptune 1-1 Whiskey, continue approach number 2.
Number 2, Neptune 1-1 Whiskey.
Southwest 8386, runway 16 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 16 left, is Southwest 8386.
Zealand 361, welcome to Sydney, give way to the 747 ahead of you, then taxi Lima, hold short, apologies, Tango, hold short Lima.